Hello, good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, fine. Then today we are going to start with geography lesson number 3, that is mineral and power resources. As in a previous class, we have completed history lesson. Already question answers were given of that lesson, lesson number 5. I hope everybody has completed that history lesson. Question answers in the notebook and subject about a subject enrichment activity also. Those who have not uh, submitted the subject enrichment activity today till evening, I'm giving you time till today evening. Please submit as soon as possible, otherwise I'm going to uh, close the link and you will straight away get zero in your exams for subject enrichment activity. So please submit your subject enrichment activity till today evening. Am I clear? Then now we are going to start with the lesson mineral and power resources. Now this is the new lesson of geography about minerals. In this lesson we are going to read about minerals, how minerals occur, where minerals occur and in which places what type of minerals we are available. Now the lesson begins with the Kiri. Kiri was visiting Sukant in his native place near Dhanbad. So now Kiri was visiting visiting what means he was uh, going to Sukant native place. That native place means where Sukant was parents place. Sukant's parents place, and it was in Dhanbad. Kiri was amazed to see that large areas were black. So where Sukant was living, the parents were of Sukant was living there. The Kiri observed that the large area was of a black color. Sukant, why is this place so black and dusty? Now, this was the question Kiri asked to Sukant, that why is this place so black and dusty? Why the area of Dhanbad where Sukant's native, which is the native place of Sukant, is so dusty and black in color? She replied, "This is because sorry, she asked. So this is because of the coal mines nearby. Now this is why, because of the coal mines. This is the reply given by Sukant, that this color of the area is black and dusty just because of the coal mines which are present nearby. And do you see the trucks? They are carrying the mineral coal, replied Sukant. So the as you see in the picture also, the truck is there. They are carrying the mineral coal and all, in the coal mines. So that is why this was the reason given to Kiri by Sukant, why the native place, that is Dhanbad, is so black and dusty where Sukant is living. Now what are minerals? Asked Kiri. Now the another question which came in mind of Kiri was, what are minerals, because she don't know what minerals are. Now Sukant replied in very simple, with very simple example so that Kiri can understand easily. Sukant has replied that, have you ever seen a baker's baking biscuit? That means the baker who is baking the biscuit, have Kiri seen that the flour, the milk, the sugar, and sometimes eggs also are mixed together while eating the baked biscuit. Can you see these ingredients separately? Now, simple example, he is trying to explain what are minerals. That the example is given of the biscuit, that uh, in the biscuit, in preparing of the biscuit, these ingredients are needed, and with these ingredients only the biscuit is baked. And he's further asking that have he is able to see, whether he is able to see these ingredients, uh, observe these ingredients when he is having the biscuit in the hand. So just as in the biscuits there are number of things that you cannot see, rocks on the this earth have several material called minerals mixed in them. These minerals are scattered throughout the earth's rocky crust. Now with this example he's trying to explain what are minerals. So the example of with the example of biscuit, he is saying that as he is not she is not able to see flour, milk, sugar, and even the eggs, they are not visible when the proper if a proper biscuit is there in the hand of the, then or she is eating the biscuit. And the same way, uh, minerals are also present, which we cannot see, but they are present in the rocks. They are mixed in the rocks, and these minerals are scattered throughout the earth rocky crust. And this is the way the explanation about mineral is given by Sukant. Next, a naturally occurring substance. Now, the definition of mineral you can underline in your book. A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. Now, what is a mineral? Mineral is a natural occurring substance, means it is present naturally, it is not man-made, it is not human-made, and it occurs on the earth's surface naturally, and that has a definite chemical composition, means some chemicals are present in it which are very much definite in them. And minerals are not evenly distributed over the space. Minerals are not evenly distributed over the space means they are not uniform, they are not distributed equally all over the earth. Sometimes one particular mineral is found in large quantity, sometimes some area has the scarcity, has very less amount of mineral of that particular mineral. Clear? So that is why we can say that minerals are not evenly distributed over the space. They are not evenly means they are not uniform, they are not equally distributed. They are concentrated in a particular area or rock formation. That means they are present, they are entirely found in a particular area or a rock formation. Means in particular area, one particular type of mineral can be found in large quantity, and sometimes it is in the rock formations also. Some minerals are found in areas which are not easily accessible, such as the Arctic Ocean bed and Antarctica. Some minerals are found in, now the minerals are found, as we know that minerals are found everywhere, but some particular minerals are found in particular areas only. So in this we can say that uh, in some areas like Arctic Ocean bed and Antarctica, where minerals are found, they are not easily accessible. Not easily accessible means we cannot reach them easily. They are not easily reachable. So some minerals are found in areas where are not easily accessible, such as Arctic Ocean bed and Antarctica. That means they are not easily, we cannot get them easily from the Arctic Ocean bed and Antarctica. So these are the some places from where minerals are present, but they are not reachable. They are not within the reach of human beings easily. I think this much is clear. Now next, In the side box, it is given, do you know the salt in your food and graphite in your pencil are also minerals? So these are the examples given, that the salt you put in the food and the pencil, lead pencil you use for writing, that is also a mineral. Now, next paragraph. Minerals are formed in different types of geological environments. Uh, that means they are formed, minerals are formed in different types of environment, geographical environments, whether in rocks, in valleys, in mountains, they are formed in different types under varying condition, under different conditions. Varying conditions means under different conditions. So, in different geographical environment and in different conditions, these minerals are formed. They are carried by natural processes without any human interference. Sorry, they are created by natural processes. So these minerals are created by natural processes. That is why they are natural occurring substances. And thus we can say that they are natural occurring substances. So without any human interference means there is no part of human beings in making of the minerals. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, chemical properties such as solubility. So these minerals, you can underline this, they can be identified. How we can identify a particular mineral? We can identify the particular mineral on the basis of these physical properties. Now, which are these physical properties? On the basis of color, on the basis of density, how dense they are, how hard they are, what type of chemicals are present in that particular mineral. And uh, on the basis of these physical properties, we can identify, we can speak out about the particular mineral. Now, coming to the next page, this was all about minerals, the introduction of minerals, what are minerals, and about the physical properties, how we can identify the minerals and where we can find the minerals. Now, types of minerals. In the next page, we are going to read about the types of minerals. There are over 3,000 different minerals. So how many types of minerals are there? There are over 3,000 different minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified mainly as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Underline this. On the basis of composition, what type of things are present in the making of that mineral? uh, on that basis only we can classify minerals on the base in two parts. First is metallic and second is non-metallic. Now metallic is again divided into two parts, that is furious and non-furious. So you just have to remember this, that minerals can be classified in two parts, that is metallic and non-metallic. Then further, metallic can be divided into two furious and non-furious. Clear? Now, metallic minerals are composing of metals. As the name indicates, metallic means which consists of metals, and metals like we can say iron ore, bauxite, copper, gold, etc. And non-metallic means which do not have metals. Example, we can say limestone, potash, nitrates. So these are the non-metallic type of minerals. Now in detail, we are going to study about both of that, metallic and non-metallic. And in metallic, again, furious and non-furious. Furious means which contain those metals which contain iron, and non-furious means those metals which do not contain the iron, property of iron. Clear? Now, metallic minerals contain metal in a raw form. Now, these metallic minerals, as I already explained just now, that they contain metal in a raw form. Next, these metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristic luster and or shine. That means the metals are hard substances which contain the metallic minerals are very contain metals in them, and those metals are the hard substances that conduct heat and electricity, that uh, gives us heat and electricity, and have characteristic luster or shine. That means they also have, these metals also have a little bit shining property, means the texture is shining quality. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore are some examples. Now, these are the some examples of metals. You can underline this from here. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. And what are metals? Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have characteristic luster and shine. And examples are iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore. Clear? Now, metallic minerals may be ferrous and non-ferrous. So, as we have seen here earlier, that metallic minerals are again divided into two parts, ferrous and non-ferrous. Now, what are metallic? We have understood nicely that they contain metals, and these metals are very hard in substance and they have little bit shine. They have a shining quality. Now, again, this metallic metals are divided into two, ferrous and non-ferrous. Now, what are ferrous? Metallic minerals may be ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese, and chloromides contain iron. So, we can say that the ferrous minerals are those which contain iron, and these are the example iron ore, manganese, and chromites. They are the example of ferrous minerals which contain iron. A non-ferrous mineral does not contain iron, but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper, or lead. So, and on the other side, first we have seen the ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals contain iron. On the other side, we will see that the non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper, or lead. Am I clear about this metallic? The first part in which minerals are divided, metallic, and then again metallic is divided into ferrous and non-ferrous. Again, a recall of this: metallic minerals contain metals in raw form, means how whatever sh in the same way it is present in the raw form, means no anything is not included in that, as it is present in the nature, it is present in the metals. So metallic minerals contain metals in raw form. And metals, what are metals? They are hard substance and they have heat and electricity and a type of shine. Examples we have seen: iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore, and some these are the some examples. Next we have seen about metallic minerals are ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals are those which contain iron. Non-ferrous minerals which do not contain iron but contain some other metals like gold, silver, and copper and lead. Am I clear with this? Now next, about non-metallic minerals. Now, non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Now, non-metallic minerals do not, as we have seen, metallic contains, as the name indicates, metallic. Metallic means contains metal. Non-metallic, as the name indicates, does not contain metal. And examples are limestone, mica, gypsum are the example of such minerals. You can underline examples of all this also non-metallic. Now, the mineral fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. Now, this coal and petroleum can also be considered under non-metallic minerals, means they do not contain any metal. Now minerals can be extracted by, now how these minerals, now till now we are reading again and again that minerals are present everywhere. Minerals, certain minerals are present in certain areas only, and minerals are of two types, metallic, non-metallic, everything we have read. But how these minerals can be extracted, taken out, how these minerals can be taken out. Now this is, they can be extracted, means taken out by mining, drilling or quarrying. These minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling or quarrying. So these are the three methods from which, these are the three methods from which we can take out minerals from deep inside the earth. Then these minerals can be taken out deep inside the earth by mining, drilling, and by these processes. Clear? Now, extraction of minerals means taking out of minerals from deep inside the earth. We have seen that mining, drilling, and quarrying are the three processes from which we can extract minerals. We can take out minerals from deep inside the earth. Now, mining also is two types of minings are there: open cast mining and shaft mining. So, in now we will read about all these processes, what are these processes and how they can be used. Now, the process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth surface is called mining. Now, what is mining? You have to underline most of the things in this paragraph. So, please mark now: the process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under buried under the earth surface is called mining. So what is mining? It Mining is the process to take the minerals out from the rocks which are buried under the earth surface. Clear? So that is called mining. Now minerals that lie at shallow depth are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. Now, what is open cast mining? When we see that minerals are not very much deep inside, but they are in present in the shallow depth, means not very much deep, but they are mostly after little bit mining only, little bit removing of the earth surface only, we can find out those minerals. And that type of process of taking out minerals from that shallow depth only, it is called as open cast mining. Shallow depth means not too much deep inside the earth, but just um, removing the earth surface little bit only, we can find these types of minerals. So this is called as open cast mining. Clear what is open cast mining? Now next, deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach mineral deposits that lie in great depth. This is called shaft mining. Now what is shaft mining? Shaft mining is done for those minerals. Shaft mining is the process done to take out those minerals which are present deep inside the earth, very much deep inside the earth. And for taking out those minerals, we have to dig deep bores, deep holes inside the earth, and then only we can get those minerals from the earth surface. Am I clear what is shaft mining? Open cast mining. Open cast mining means it is the minerals are present not so much deep. They are just after digging little bit only we can find out, and that is why in this we can use the open cast mining process. because the minerals are not very much deep inside the earth. But when we have to dig deep bores, deep holes inside the earth to reach a particular mineral deposit, then we have to use the shaft mining. Am I clear? What is the difference between open cast mining and shaft mining? Shaft mining is used to dig out minerals deep inside the earth. Now coming to petroleum and natural gas occur far below the earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take them out. This is called drilling. Now another type of method to take out mineral, and especially the word here mineral name is given petroleum and natural gas. So this petroleum and natural gas occur far below the earth's surface, means very much below the earth surface, and for that you have to dig deep wells. You have to dig deep wells to take out them, and this is called drilling. So to take out natural gas and petroleum, the method which is used is drilling method. Am I clear? These three methods: open cast, to take out only the minerals which are at the shallow depth of the earth; shaft mining, used to take out mineral deposits which are present at great depth. Deep bores have to be built. And then now drilling is the third process in which we will see that uh, deep wells are dig inside deep inside the earth to take out these types of minerals such as petroleum and natural gas. And now another process: mineral that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. Now what is quarrying? Quarrying is the minerals lie near the surface are simply dug out. Means for this we need not go deep inside the earth, we need not go to dig deep bores, deep holes inside the earth, but they are also present and just lie near the surface. And by simply digging out, we can find out these type of minerals, and they are called. This method is called as quarrying. So first we have read about mining. It is that minerals taken out which are buried under the earth's surface. Then again, mining, we have read about open cast mining and shaft mining. Open cast means not so much deep inside, and shaft mining means deep bores have to be uh, uh, dig in deep holes to be dig out to take out those minerals. Then the second we have read about drilling. That means deep wells are dig inside to take out certain minerals such as petroleum and natural gas. Then quarrying, the third process to take out minerals is quarrying, from which means that simply by digging the surface we can find out those minerals. So the extraction of minerals clear now. In this page we have read about types of minerals: metallic, non-metallic, and then again extraction, how we can extract, we can take out minerals from deep inside. The different methods, different processes we have read. Clear this much, everybody? Okay, now till here only today I end. Please write once again in the chat box present. Thank you.